Hi, this is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. We'll talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's video update. So I'm updating a cryptocurrency portfolio. It's something I do on a daily basis and record it. So this is a cryptocurrency portfolio I've been updating since February 2021, and I'll use it for analysis purposes. Now, before I get started, just also important to mention it's not a financial advice video, so there's no financial advice here. Make sure you do your own due diligence before you make any financial decisions. Also, make sure that you don't invest more money than you can afford to lose, as investing can be risky. So with that said, I'm going to share my screen and quickly do the update. Make sure I stay to the end because I always talk about something afterwards, maybe the market or something like that. Let's just share that screen. So this is a spreadsheet I've been updating, and here we are. It's got three columns: altcoin, Bitcoin, and totals. The green is when it's gone forward on the previous day. Red is when it goes backward on the previous day. And let's go to. And after a while, these start to form a pattern, which can be used in conjunction with some other things. So this is where I get the figures from, coming from a live feed down here into an asset group, and then get the final figures here. This portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and an assortment of specially selected, specially researched alternative coins or altcoins. This is the total at the top. Left-hand side, US dollars. Right-hand side is exactly the same portfolio, just in British pounds or pound sterling. This is the spread between the two of them. So majority of the money goes into the altcoins. So here we go. What I want to do now, I want to take this figure here, 221,444,363. Okay, so today's date, time, so the UK. What is it? What was the figure again? 221,444,63. 221,444.63. Correct? Yeah, 221. Okay. So I bring that down to that can be colored green because yesterday was a red day. Things fell slightly yesterday, so today things are up slightly, which is okay. And the total figure appears 286,130.77. 286,130.77. 286,130.77. That's down. That's up 1,633. That means Bitcoin is up slightly, 823. So it was a green day today. Everything's up slightly. And could be getting to a new week. And let's sort of take a closer look at the markets. The overall market cap is 2.8 trillion, which is pretty strong. And so just a couple of hundred billion away from 3 trillion, but that could easily be recovered this month. So yeah, it's pretty strong as the whole market. This is the whole market. Okay. Well, closer look into Bitcoin, and you can actually see the. I was looking at this earlier today. The RSI. In all of the major cycles we've had, we've had two, as I explained here, two humps or two spikes in each bull cycle. Here, this cycle, we only had one spike, and it looks like this one is coming up here to form the second spike. So we shall see when it should do that. But interesting enough, that the time between these spikes varies. So to 2013, it was page down a bit. So yeah, 2013, it was like 214 days between each spike, and 214 days between each spike. And then in 2017, it spiked in August, and then the second spike was in end of December. So that was about 222 days, 122 days. So it was shorter. So here we are. We've had this first spike in, well, it says, according to the RSI, it was March, although we know it was April. And so we shall, we're kind of waiting. When are we expecting the second spike? Probably between December, sometime between the end of November and the end of December. So sometime maybe around that kind of period, which means we're expecting this line here to come up to the blue. Okay, during the bear market, it typically goes down to the turquoise line here. During the bull market, it usually peaks its head a little slightly above, or at least at the level of this blue line here, the 90 level in the RSI. So this has got a long way to go. The important thing is that it has gone past this 71.68 level. So that's a good sign. It was struggling to get above this, but it has finally got above this. So it's on its way to this blue line. And when it does, that means, we should have hit the peak of this cycle, but we shall watch and see. But this is a very powerful signal. This actually, it's very accurate. When this does do this, it means Bitcoin's price action will really move. This upward trend is still an upward trend, but any time now it can break out of this upward trend and go further up. So these lines will be irrelevant. At any time it will break up, it should break through this upward line here and start going higher in the next 6 weeks. Next 6 weeks could be very interesting. Now we're in the middle of November. We got to the end of December. This 6 weeks can be very exciting for cryptocurrency. So hold on to your hats. We're still trying to get above this green line with a bit of resistance, trying to get above this green line. And once we do break past this green line properly, it should be up to the races. This particular candle here got 1 day and 9 hours, and then the next candle, we'll see where that starts. That should be above. We're still above the golden cross is still taking effect, still above the 50-day moving average and 200-day moving average. 50-day moving average in green, 200-day moving average in red. So we're still above, the price action is still above those two lines. And so everything's looking very bullish, very strong, ready for a takeoff, basically. And looking at the weekly instead of the daily chart, we zoom out to get a more accurate picture. Things are still bullish. So this we're still bullish here. The red, green on top and the red down below, and this yellow line pointing upwards, showing that this trend here is, it's strong. It's not very strong yet, but it's strong, which means there could be more price action coming up. And if this goes up here, the yellow line goes up further, it will indicate the strength of the trend. So we'll make it something like this. We'll watch and see. Ethereum is still doing okay. It's recovering from last week, and it's going to, continue moving high. It has hit 4,700 in the within the day range. Last week it reached an all-time high of 4,868, which is great. So there's a lot more in the tank for Ethereum. and there's a lot more in the tank for Bitcoin. So this should be a very interesting 6 weeks. But the question is, when will this rise above the white and hit the turquoise line, the RSI? That's when we shall really know when we have kind of hit the top of the cycle, as it did in the last 2 cycles. Again, it's just going according to the facts of the charts. Anything could change, but this is fairly statistically reliable information. Make sure you visit our website here. We keep you posted. Make sure you visit our website here on IamWealthyandRich.com. Get your free millionaire mindset and investment strategy now. Very simple strategy. And look out for more information coming from myself regarding this and other things once you're on that list. Okay, so get yourself to this website and get on that list as soon as you can. And like I said, I'll keep you posted regarding what happens in the charts in this exciting 6 weeks between now and the end of the year. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, hit the notification, subscribe, and all that stuff. So number one, it helps the YouTube algorithm share this with more people. Number two, it helps you make sure you get notified when I put up another video. Okay, this is a very exciting time, and you want to make sure you don't miss out on it. Okay, so position yourself, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a wonderful and fantastic day. Bye.